In today's video, we are going to make a wonderful homemade washing machine soap. It is a soap that is going to be very economical and all with natural soap, natural ingredients, and that will leave our clothes fantastic. Believe it or not, we are going to get 4 liters of soap for €1. Incredible but true, let's do it. We use 250 grams of a natural soap, 3 teaspoons of baking soda, and this is optional, eau de cologne, to give it a good smell. To make it, we use a mixer, or in our case, the Thermomix. These are the prices: the soap 77 cents, the bicarbonate 1.15 the kilo. We are going to use about 5 cents of product, and the eau de cologne 2.49 200 milliliters. We will use less than 10 cents of product. In total 4 liters for less than €1. It is better to buy the soap in flakes if we do not have to grate it ourselves. We put all the soap in our container and about half a liter of water. And about half a liter of water. Three spoonfuls of baking soda. Optionally, a splash of eau de cologne, we use Nenuco. Now we beat the mixture well in the Thermomix for 1 minute at variable speed. Now a very thick paste comes out. Due to the fact that the Thermomix does not have much capacity, we are going to divide this paste in two, and in the first half we will pour 1.5 liters of water approximately, and then in the second half we will do the same. Once the separation is done, we have put the 1.5 liters of water, and approximately 1 minute we are going to beat with variable speeds from 7 to 10. Once this is done, the soap is ready to be bottled. We use a recycled washing machine soap bottle and a homemade funnel made with a milk bottle. After repeating the process with the remaining half, we have our soap ready to use in the washing machine. Good, nice and cheap soap. We hope you try it and we hope you liked it. Please take a look at these screenshots that you will find interesting, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much and see you next video.